In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to alpha lock in Affinity. Alpha lock, called Protect Alpha in Affinity, lets you paint only on the pixels that already exist on a layer. That means you can add shadows, highlights, or recolor areas without spilling outside the artwork you've already laid down. Start by opening the Affinity app on your computer. Any of the Affinity desktop apps that include raster painting will do. Once it's open, look to the right side of the workspace for the Layers panel and click the pixel layer you want to work on. This tells Affinity exactly which layer should receive your brush strokes. On the left toolbar, choose the Paintbrush tool. You'll see brush options appear across the top. Adjust your brush size so it fits the area you plan to paint. You can drag the size slider in the context bar or use your preferred shortcuts and set hardness or flow to suit the finish you want. Before alpha locking, pick a color you'd like to use. Then make a quick stroke or block in a simple shape on that pixel layer. This creates the opaque pixels that alpha lock will respect. If a layer is completely empty or fully transparent, there's nothing for alpha lock to protect, so laying down a bit of paint first is important. Now turn on the feature. At the top right, enable Protect Alpha for that layer. With Protect Alpha active, any paint you apply will stay confined to the existing non-transparent pixels. Try brushing across the edge of your shape. Notice how the stroke can't bleed into the transparent canvas. You're editing color and texture, not the layer's transparency. If your brush isn't leaving marks, make sure the pixel layer is selected, not a group or an adjustment, and that its opacity is 100%. If paint still spills, confirm. Protect Alpha is on for that same layer. To paint past the edges again, simply turn Protect Alpha off. That's the entire workflow. Open Affinity, select the pixel layer, pick the paintbrush tool, adjust your brush, choose a color, make a mark, and then enable. Protect Alpha to lock your transparency. With that in place, you can shade, add texture, and recolor confidently, all while keeping crisp edges and a clean workflow.